びっしゃびしゃや。
これはやばいな。
大ぶりですよこれ。
これはきついな。
きついな。さあ一番嫌なシーズンです。
これマジですか。
これが冬のシアトルだ。しょうがない。
前ね、雨季でもねこっちね。
あ、これ。
おお。おお。
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Seattle Tacoma International Airport. 15 minutes after 5 p.m. local time. For your continued comfort and safety, please remain seated with your safety belt secured till the aircraft has come to a complete stop. Our captain will turn off the seatbelt light. The overhead lighting will be fully illuminated. Please don't forget anything you might have placed in the seat pocket there. And for those of you making connections, there will be a Delta representative to greet you in the terminal when you walk into the gatehouse here, and they'll be happy to assist you if you are making connections. And you are most welcome to turn on your cell phones and make calls now. Take your phones out of airplane mode if you like. And just like to say one more time, thank you all very much for choosing Delta for your travel plans. On behalf of 80,000 plus employees, we certainly do appreciate you patronizing our company this holiday season. We hope you've enjoyed the flight, our service, and indeed a few very lucky passengers will be getting an email over the next day or two from Delta Airlines marketing, and they will be requesting information. It's very from you to fill out a little survey of your experience on Delta today. We certainly hope you'll take just a couple minutes and give us your feedback, and if you have anything you'd like us to change, we'd like to hear that as well from you. And we appreciate you taking time to fill out that little email survey. And of course, folks, we want to wish you a very happy holiday season ahead, and Merry Christmas to you all. And we hope we see you again on the Delta Jet in the near future. Thanks and good night.